you outsiders. Am I new but do? Why you were thinking I didn't have a clue. Tough to sort files with your voice in my head. So then I bribed you downstairs with a Marlboro Red. And now I feel so small discovering you knew how much more torture would you have put me through. You probably saw me laughing at all your jokes, or how I did not mind when you stole all my smokes, yeah. And although my pride, yeah, it's not easy to disturb, yeah, you sent me flying, yeah, when you kicked me to the curb.